Maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in Murray requires more than just controlling temperature. Humidity levels play a critical role in comfort, health, and the overall condition of a home. High indoor humidity can lead to discomfort, mold growth, and damage to walls, flooring, and furniture. One of the most effective ways to manage indoor humidity is through the installation of energy-efficient windows. These windows not only help control temperature but also reduce moisture infiltration, contributing to a healthier and more comfortable living space. One of the primary ways energy-efficient windows help manage humidity is through improved insulation and sealing. Older windows often develop gaps, cracks, or worn weather stripping over time, allowing humid outdoor air to enter the home. This can create pockets of high humidity, particularly in the warmer months. Energy-efficient windows are designed with tight seals, durable weather stripping, and advanced frame materials that prevent air leaks, helping to maintain consistent indoor moisture levels. The glass in energy-efficient windows also plays a crucial role. Many modern windows feature double or triple panes with insulating gas fills, such as argon or krypton, which reduce the transfer of heat and cold. This prevents condensation from forming on interior surfaces, which is a common source of excess indoor humidity. By controlling condensation, energy-efficient windows reduce the risk of mold growth and protect walls, furniture, and flooring from moisture-related damage. Low emissivity, low E, coatings on window glass further enhance humidity control. These coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through, maintaining indoor comfort without creating excessive warmth near windows. By regulating heat transfer, low E coatings help keep indoor air drier, especially in Murray's climate where seasonal variations can bring both hot, humid summers and cooler winters. Energy-efficient windows also contribute to better ventilation management. While the windows themselves are primarily designed to insulate, their operable designs, such as casement or double-hung styles, allow homeowners to control airflow strategically. Opening windows when outdoor humidity levels are lower and keeping them closed during peak humidity periods helps maintain optimal indoor moisture levels. This flexibility is particularly valuable in a region like Murray, where outdoor conditions can fluctuate throughout the year. Proper installation is essential for maximizing these benefits. Even the most advanced windows will underperform if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that all seals, frames, and sashes fit perfectly, preventing air leaks and moisture infiltration. Proper installation also supports consistent indoor temperatures, which directly impacts how humidity is managed within the home. Energy-efficient windows also reduce the strain on HVAC systems. Homes with older or poorly insulated windows often require more frequent use of air conditioning or heating to compensate for air leaks and fluctuating temperatures. Increased HVAC usage can inadvertently raise indoor humidity, as systems struggle to maintain a stable environment. By improving insulation and reducing air leaks, energy-efficient windows allow HVAC systems to operate more efficiently, indirectly helping to manage humidity levels. Another benefit is long-term protection of home interiors. Excessive moisture can damage walls, flooring, and wooden furniture over time. By reducing the amount of humid air entering the home, energy-efficient windows help preserve interior finishes and furnishings. This not only maintains comfort but also protects your investment in your home. Maintenance is minimal with energy-efficient windows, but keeping them clean and ensuring that seals and hardware remain in good condition is important. Regular inspection ensures that they continue to prevent air leaks and control moisture effectively. Over time, this consistent performance contributes to a healthier and more comfortable living environment. In conclusion, energy-efficient windows are a practical and effective solution for managing indoor humidity in Murray homes. By providing superior insulation, tight seals, advanced glass technology, and proper ventilation control, they help reduce moisture intrusion, prevent condensation, and maintain consistent indoor comfort. When combined with professional installation and proper HVAC operation, Energy-efficient windows not only enhance comfort and health but also protect the home from humidity-related damage, making them a smart long-term investment for homeowners.